Hey, it's Bernard Nomberg with the Nomberg Law Firm. And one of the issues that can come up from time to time in litigation is the vocational expert in a workers' compensation case. What is a vocational expert? Well, they're a party that is not part of the lawsuit, not a party to the lawsuit, but they are an expert hired by either side of the case to help analyze if there is a vocational disability to the injured worker. That's one component, that's one aspect of potentially of damages to an injured worker when they have a body as a whole injury in a workers' comp case in Alabama. The short of it is the expert can be utilized to help guide the court or guide the parties towards settlement or to provide more information about whether the injured worker has lost the capacity to earn the same or similar type of compensation they earned before they were hurt, as well as if there is a loss of access to jobs in the hypothetical job market that they would otherwise be qualified through education, experience, etc. There's a lot more to it than that, but what typically happens is there will be a meeting, a one-on-one meeting, where the vocational expert will meet with the injured worker and do a series of testing, not physical tests, but more mental related. There'll also be an interview, they'll review the medical records, there's a whole thing to it. But the role is to then for the expert to give an opinion, whether it's written or oral or both, as to their findings. And the findings, we'll discuss that in another video. But basically, the vocational expert is hired by one party or both parties, that can be in agreement to do that, to assess whether or not the employee, the injured worker, has a vocational disability in that situation where they have a body as a whole type injuries. If it's a scheduled member injury by law, current law, they're not entitled to vocational rehabilitation or vocational disability as a consideration of damages. If you have questions or concerns about this, just give us a call at 205-930-6900. NombergLaw.com is our website. If you like this video, we'd sure love it if you'd consider subscribing and giving us a thumbs up. Tell us if you liked it. If you didn't, please tell us that too. We also can be found on Facebook and Twitter.